Hey guys, welcome to another solution. If you can't seem to find face masks at your local stores, pharmacies, or just don't want to keep wasting money on boxes of masks, then this video is for you. I'll be showing you how to make face mask A and B in just 30 seconds without having to stitch or use any sewing machines. Stay tuned. So for face mask A, you will need a sock, scissors, and some kitchen roll tissue paper, whatever you want to call it. All you have to do is cut off the front toe piece of the sock. Leaving about ½ inch gap at both the ends of the sock. Now cut vertically, making sure that the cut is again about ½ inch long. Now grab your kitchen towel, tissue paper, napkin, whatever you call in the country you live in, fold it and place it inside the sock. This will do the job of a filter. Now just pull the piece that we've cut behind the ears and then we have it. We even tried a little experiment to see how protective this mask is. My volunteer blew towards the lighter flame and literally nothing happened. The flame was in its place. Time for face mask B. For this one, all you will need is a bandana and 2 hair bubbles. All you need to do is just fold the bandana in half and then fold it one more time. Grab your hair bubbles and pass the bandana through the hair bubble on both the sides. And finally, just fold the outer parts inwards, like so. Just give your hair bubbles a quick stretch. And that's it. Here we have it, guys. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone in need, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any solution. Bye for now.